Good morning students, welcome back. In my last class I told you about non-cooperation movement in countryside. While explaining that topic, I told you that the non-cooperation movement in countryside had two folds. One, the movement spread among the peasants, and second, how the movement spread among the tribals. In my last class I already explained you about how the movement spread among the peasants. Now in this class I am going to explain how the movement spread among the tribals. It's a very important point, the movement in countryside. That's why we have to learn topic by topic and point by points. Many questions can be there from this particular topic. So we have to learn point by point. So first I explained about peasants, and today I am going to explain about how the movement spread in tribals. Now many tribal people in India, they opposed the British Raj and they supported Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement. So for learning how the movement spread among the tribals, we have to take one example. And here we have taken the example of Gudem Hills, the tribal people of Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh. So today we are going to learn how the movement spread among the tribal people of Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh. Okay students, let's explain how it happened. Now the tribals of Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh interpreted Gandhiji's message of Swaraj in another way. In Gudem Hills, there was a militant guerrilla movement which was spread in early 1920s. I told you a guerrilla movement. Guerrilla movement means a secret ambush, that is some type of hide and seek movement. Means suddenly the tribal they attacked, it was an ambush type movement. So it was a guerrilla movement which was started in early 1920s, and the movement was led by Alluri Sitaram Raju. This name was very important, Alluri Sitaram Raju. Now you people remember, the students, you people remember in class 9 we have learned a chapter British rule and colonialism and the forest area, something like that. Means forest areas and colonialism. In that particular chapter we had learned how the Britishers even exploited the tribal people. The same topic we are explaining here, and in this topic we are further explaining that how that exploitation ultimately led to the non-cooperation movement in jungles, different part of the jungles. So let's see. In the forest region of Gudem Hills, the Britishers preventing people from entering the forest to graze their cattle or to collect fuel woods and fruits. And all these was the main reason for their anger against the Britishers, because it was not only hampered their livelihood but also affect their traditional right, as their traditional right was denied. So that's why they were ready for a movement. They were ready, but there was a need of a spark, means immediate reason. There was a need of an immediate spark, and that spark was the Begar. There was a road which was building from this particular area by the Britishers, and the tribals were forced for Begar. And when the tribals were forced for the Begar, the tribal revolted and the movement started under the leadership of Alluri Sitaram Raju. So how the movement spread? We will continue. Thank you.